Hi angels, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm so glad you're joining. Today, we're diving into the basics of weight loss, everything you need to know before you start, or if you've hit a plateau. We'll cover 10 super important things that make fat loss easier, healthier, and actually sustainable. Grab a cup of green tea and let's glow up together. 1. What is TDEE, and why it's step number 1 for weight loss? Before changing what you eat or how you move, you need to know your TDEE, total daily energy expenditure. Your TDEE tells you how many calories your body burns in a day to maintain your weight. You can calculate it by using AI tools like ChatGPT, websites like tdeecalculator.net, fitness apps like MyFitnessPal. Once you have your TDEE, you'll subtract 10 to 20% of that number for a gentle deficit, or up to 500 calories per day, but only for a short time. I'll explain why next. Example: if your TDEE is 2000 calories, a 20% deficit is 1600 calories per day. 2. Why a big calorie deficit can backfire, weight loss plateau. So, what happens if you eat way below your TDEE for a long time? You hit something called a weight loss plateau, your progress stalls even though you're eating less. Here's why: your body is smart. If you stay in a big calorie deficit too long, it adapts to protect you. That means, it lowers your metabolism, you burn fewer calories, your body starts holding onto fat and burning muscle instead. A 500 calorie deficit is okay for the first 1 to 2 weeks, especially to kickstart your journey. But after that, switch to a 10 to 20% deficit. It's much more sustainable and helps avoid plateaus. 3. Why muscle matters in fat loss, not just the scale. When you lose weight, you want to lose fat, not muscle. Muscle is super important because it raises your metabolism, you burn more calories at rest. It keeps your body strong and toned. It prevents your body from going into survival mode. Even a short bodyweight strength workout, 10 to 30 minutes, can help preserve muscle. Don't skip this step, it's the secret to looking fit, not just skinny. 4. Intermittent fasting, simple but powerful. Intermittent fasting, means eating during specific windows of time. Popular styles include 16 to 8 right pointing arrow, eat within an 8-hour window, fast for 16 hours. OMAD, 1 meal a day, right pointing arrow advanced version, only recommended short term. Important: if you're doing OMAD, make sure that one meal still gives you enough calories, protein, healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients. Otherwise, it can do more harm than good. Bonus: in just 3 to 5 days of fasting with proper meals, many people report reduced junk food cravings. 5. Diet is 80% of weight loss, eat smart, not less. The old saying is true: weight loss is 80% diet, 20% exercise. Even with workouts, you won't lose fat if your diet is off. Easiest way to eat healthy: 50% fiber-rich veggies, 25% protein, chicken, tofu, eggs, lentils, 25% healthy carbs, quinoa, oats, sweet potato. You can calculate your daily nutrition needs using websites or AI tools that ask simple questions about your age, goals, and activity level. 6. 10,000 steps a day, the most underrated weight loss tool. Walking may not feel like a workout, but it works wonders. Benefits of 10K steps daily: burns 400 to 500 calories, boosts fat loss without stressing your body, improves mood, digestion, and insulin resistance. You can do it while watching a show, listening to music, or even while studying. Simple, gentle, effective. 7. Apple cider vinegar, a tiny trick that helps. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is known to improve blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, help with insulin resistance, which is a common fat loss blocker. How to use: 1 tablespoon of ACV. Mix in 1 glass of water. Drink before meals, use a straw and rinse after, it can harm your enamel. 8. Hydration, you're probably mistaking thirst for hunger. Drinking enough water is crucial for your body and your weight loss journey. Proper hydration keeps you full, supports digestion, prevents binge eating due to thirst confusion. You can calculate your exact water needs using online tools or AI, but most adults need 2.5 to 3 liters per day. Pro tip: add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor and extra benefits. 9. Exercise, mix strength, cardio, and low-stress movement. There are so many ways to move your body. You don't have to do intense workouts every day. Best combo for fat loss: strength training, 2 to 4 by per week. Cardio, walking, dance, jump rope. Low-impact workouts like Pilates, yoga, light jogging. And guess what? You don't need heavy weights. Just your body weight for 10 to 30 minutes can be a great start. Women especially benefit from gentle exercise that supports hormones and lowers cortisol. 10. Don't ignore your overall health. If something in your body is off, like a vitamin deficiency, sleep issue, or chronic stress, your body may refuse to lose weight. Here's what supports full body health: 7 to 9 hours of sleep, managing stress, deep breathing, journaling, nutrient-dense meals. Supplements are herbal teas like green tea, Remember, weight loss isn't just about food, it's about balance in your mind, body, and hormones. Bonus tips, rapid fire. Add cinnamon to coffee or tea, helps with blood sugar, cut down sugar and refined carbs. Avoid liquid calories like soda, juice, sugary lattes. Eat mindfully and slowly. Track your progress with photos and measurements, not just the scale. That's it for today's video, angels. These 10 basics are the foundation of a successful, healthy weight loss journey. Whether you're just starting out or trying again, remember, progress over perfection, small steps every day. Be kind to your body, it's working hard for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which tip you'll start with today. Sending you love, strength, and sparkle. Until next time, stay glowing, angels.